We're now going to put the lip around the top of the lamp, and the purpose of the lip is to provide a place to hold the lamp diffuser. So basically a lip is basically a raised surface around the edge, and if we look at our diagram here, we can see it's in a couple of places. It's a little bit confusing. If we look at the top view, we can see that there's a lip around of 3 millimeters. So our lip is 3 millimeters wide, and our lip is actually inset over here on the bottom view. For some reason on the bottom view, it's inset by 2 millimeters. We can also see the height, both on the rear view and the side view, of the lip is 3 millimeters. So we've got to measure those in. So we've got an inset of 2 millimeters, then we've got a 3 millimeter high lip that goes 3 millimeters wide, and we're basically going to have to put that on the top. The tool we're going to use in the sketch menu is going to be the offset tool. You can get that by pressing O as well. So if we click on the offset tool, and we're going to draw an offset on the top surface. So make sure you select the top surface on which you're going to draw it. I'm just going to use the hand tool to pan down here so that this is in the middle, and you'll notice that we've got this offset tool over here as well that's in place. So now I'm going to use the offset tool, and I'm going to highlight the curve or the line around the edge of our shape, and it's going to draw a red line. At the moment that red line is drawn, it's currently outside of the rectangle by 1. To put it inside, we need to go backwards, and we need to go backwards by 2. So we're going to go -2, and that will put it inside the line. That is our first line for our sketch. And now we're going to offset it again. So I'm going to press O to offset again. I'm going to use the same outside, and this time we're going to go in 3 on the other side of this line. So we've got to go in 2. So let's go in -2. So takes us back to where it was. We only need to add another 3 on that. So -2 minus 3 is -5. So there we go. So we've got our lamp going to sit in there like that. We're going to hit OK, and we now have our offset in of what we need. So basically I'm going to hit stop sketch here. I'm going to press modify. Now we remember that the height, and we can get that from the diagram, is 3 millimeters. So now that we have our offset in place, I'm going to press OK, and we have the basic shape of our lamp, and we now need to start thinking about how to put the electronics inside.